Come take a look at this cute as-a-button 2-bed/2-bath home that offers fresh exterior paint, 2019 replaced roof, 5-year-old water heater and wood laminate flooring throughout. Walk into a cozy living room perfect for family movie nights while your wood fireplace keeps you nice and warm. Followed by a comfortably sized kitchen with an island that invites company while you prepare delicious meals. The inside laundry room makes this must-do task feel like a breeze. The generously sized backyard is perfect for cookouts or just to sit back and enjoy the nice breeze that Florida brings. This gem is located a few blocks from historic downtown Plant City and in a quiet, charming neighborhood. Minutes from schools, restaurants, entertainment, shopping, City Hall, I-4 and Strawberry Festival. This is a must-see. Do not wait until it's too late and call for a private showing today.